In this tutorial, I will guide you how to insert dotted border around picture in PowerPoint. For this, you need to go to the insert, click on the picture, click on this device and select the picture. Once you paste the picture, then click on the picture and right click and go to the picture format. And you need to click on this basket, and here you will see the two options. First is the fill and second is the line. You need to select the solid line and now select the color of the border, for example green color, and you need to increase the width so you can see it now. The border line width is increasing. You can use the transparency. Here is the dash type. You need to select the dash dot, and here you can see that dotted border is inserted. You can change the cap type square to round, and you can see that the border dots are rounded. And now flat, it's up to you. So with this way you can easily insert dotted border around picture in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.